So what we have here is a roll for your pouches and your tools in the same space. It's pretty exciting, I know. So what you've got is 4 pouches. You can open these things up, put a crap load of tools in here. There's actually a 237 piece Cobalt tool set in these 4 pouches right here, which is pretty slick. Screwdrivers were not included. Those are my own add-ons. But when you look at it, what you've got is 4 pouches. You've got a kind of a mat, big piece of Velcro. You can kind of index them where you want. You can add stuff to it if you want to. You can kind of stuff things in between them. And then the great thing about this is because it rolls out flat, it gives you a lot of visibility. You can find stuff, you can see it, makes life easier. And then all you do is you just roll it up, clip it together, and walk away. Bam, grab your tools, walk away. So the great thing about this is, stores in the car, it's got a pretty generous piece of added webbing on each side. So if you want to lash it to something, you can. So if you want to like stand it up, hook it to a roll bar, bam, you can use these straps to do that. Or you can just tighten them up and sit it in a drawer or something like that. I always want to strap stuff down so it's not a projectile in the car, because obviously we don't need this flying through the vehicle. In the webbing in here, you've actually got the ability to kind of add stuff. So we can put, again, breaker bar, pry bar, all between the loops and the webbing, because all this is bar tacked in here. So it gives you the ability to kind of put stuff that's a little bigger than what the pouch is in some of those spaces, because you always need a pry bar and a BFH and a breaker bar and that sort of thing. And this kind of gives you the ability to do that. Keeps a lot of tools, not a real big space. It gives you a few places you can put it. You can kind of flatten it out if you want to change the way that you fold it. It'll flatten out a little bit. So if your drawer's a little skinny, you can put it in like that. If you got a lot of drawer room, you can kind of make it tall, take up less space this way, bam, in drawer. Gives you a lot of versatility, doesn't take up a crap load of space, especially compared to like hard shell stuff, things like that. And you got all the stuff you need. So when your lug nuts loosen up on the side of the road, you can tighten, well, you get a lug wrench, but you know what I'm saying. You can tighten stuff up, fix things while you're traveling, which is really handy. And that's the difference between a trip going bad and good. The fact that you can get out there and fix the brake light that isn't blinking anymore, or a blinker light that isn't braking anymore, however that works. Thanks for taking the time to stop by and check it out. So if you can't decide what you need, you should buy all 3 of them. But this one is our small, this is our medium 4-poucher, and this is our large 6-pouch extravaganza.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe for weekly videos, and comment down below. We love to hear from you. If you want to check out any of the products you saw in this video or any of the other cool stuff we make, head over to BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com, where everything is made in America and handcrafted for you.